Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create a template where you can log the blood sugar. Right, so let's start with a new doc. Start with blank document, and here what we will do is we will create a table where we will log the blood sugar levels. So blood sugar log template. Right, so here we will start with table. We will go with name, then we will choose date, then morning sugar. Let's remove the notes for now. Then we will choose afternoon, right, and then evening sugar. Right, if you want you can also keep track of late night sugar level as well. So we'll use first column as text, second column as, let's say, date, right, and third column being number. Right, so we'll go with number. Again, this should be another one which is number. All these three should be number. Right, so John Doe, then morning sugar 120, then 110, then 100. Right, then another person name, let's say some other day, and then morning sugar 100, then 120, 110, and so on. You can also conditionally highlight them based on the level. Higher the level, you would notice it should have some specific set of color. Right, so this is just a table where you can see the blood sugar progress within this particular table. Right, so you get the idea how to log blood sugar level in Coda and turn into a template.